So today we are making vinyl plank stair risers returns, right?
That's what it says on the title. And now I'm running it through the router table. Wow, great job there, Dave. Awesome. It's a 2.5 mil vinyl plank, which is actually the easiest ever to make nosings of any sort because they bend so easily. You need bigger forearms there, Dave. A little small. Now we move to 3/4 of an inch back. Yes, we do. And I try not to cut myself. Like that, yeah. Just really slowly. Got it. Awesome.
And now we have something to put on top of it while running through so that we're not using our hands. Safety first, guys.
I never cut myself though. My cat does more damage than my machines. Cat's more dangerous than power tools. Crazy. It's like not even me doing this.
Not much left here.
There's always not much left.
Do we need the heat
Look
gun?
at that shop. It's so dirty.
Hard to make it easier. Okay, where is it?
That is a good question.
Do we even have to heat this? Apparently we have to. A little bit?
I don't know.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we're heating it, so. The last ones we just did, we didn't need any heat.
So what do we call these stair nosings?
Well, they're not noses, stair nosing. Actually, I don't know. No, I don't think they are. I think they're cover up the wall of the railing, from what I understand.
A little bit of accelerator, and then I hold it at a 90-degree angle. Super high tech. Laser eyes, that's what I call them. They don't sell in the stores.
Because we don't have forms for this kind of nosing.
Now I put it in the way of the heat gun. I'm gonna cook YouTube. I'll cook the camera.
Now I'm cutting the filler strips.
No,
Oh, Trinda's cutting the filler strips. I'm still bending them.
Yeah, as you see in the top right.
Yeah, look at that. Awesome. Amazingness.
Wow, editing.
How do you do that? Look at that awesome kickback. Don't cut your fingers off, Trinda. I can't afford the WCB claim. Yay, she's done. The good thing about recording Trinda when she's doing this, I know how much time she's spending on stuff. She's not procrastinating.
Nope.
That was another job we're working on. Or finished, actually, now. Should have a video of that one soon.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what we use. It's meant for showers. Yeah, we just use the same forms that are 1.5 inches, and then we just make filler strips to hold them in place. So we don't have to make a million forms for every single different size. You just have to make different filler strips. Oh, those are the shelves for the ones that the vinyl plank sitting on. It's for the, what's it called, Trinda?
Those are the pieces
The nightstands?
for nightstands.
Ooh, look, finished product. We only got one picture because that's what the contractor sent us.
Yeah.
So it's the little tiny pieces right there. We didn't make the nosings themselves. It's just the risers.
Yeah.
They turned out pretty good. Bye. See ya.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to
Bye.
like and subscribe, and check us out on the other social medias, and check out all the links in the description.
Don't do it.
Enjoy it.
Don't do it.